Hello everyone, I'm Trevor Lugers.
And I'm Alana Lugers.
And we're here at Lugers Group HQ. I heard that there's going to be a little contest going on between two people today. And I really want to let you guys in on it because I heard there's also going to be pie involved. It's going to be between Doug and Connor. Let's go ahead and go check it out, guys.
Hey, what's up, guys? Connor Rowe here with the one and only
Doug Lugers.
Doug Lugers. Awesome. So, as you can see, we're at a ready whip here because Doug decided to eat it all before we did the. Oh yeah, look at it. Beautiful. So what we're doing today is, you can see we got some pies here. Doug challenged me about a week ago, saying if I was gonna hit my goals or not, and if I didn't, I'm getting a pie to the face on Facebook Live. So here we are. But the pie's not going to my face. I hit my goals. So what I figured I'd do is flip the script a little bit. So Doug came to me as well and said, hey, we gotta do a cost versus value video. So I figured I'd spice it up a little bit with a little bit of a questionnaire
Contest type thing. So yeah, I asked him to get creative and do a cost versus value video and to make it interesting. So he wanted a little payback, and so he came up with this pie contest, and here we are. So for those of you who don't know what a cost versus value report is, let's start there. A cost versus value report is a survey of a bunch of real estate professionals and construction professionals, and the scope of it is just to find out how much you can expect to recoup if you're remodeling things in your home, remodeling rooms in your home, and things like that. How much dollar for dollar you can expect to get back. And they break it down by region, but they also break it down by the city. And so what we're talking about specifically is Cape Coral and Fort Myers.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, I'm excited about it. So what's gonna happen is, obviously we have these 5 pies, we have 5 questions. So we're gonna have our hands over here, and Alana's gonna read us the questions. She has the answers as well. So her and Trevor whipped up, they got the report too, and they picked some ones that they thought would be pretty funny to quiz us on. So Alana's gonna read it, and then first one to hit the table has the opportunity to answer the question. Now if they get it right, the other person gets the pie. But if they get it wrong, what happens, Doug?
If you get it wrong, you won't get a pie to the face, right?
You're gonna get a pie to the face.
But I'm Yoda. I'm your Yoda. And, I've been in this business forever, so you know that's just not going to happen.
Yeah, he thinks he knows what he's doing here, but what he doesn't know is I did a little bit of research last night on cost of value, so let's see what happens here.
All right, let's see what happens.
First question. What is the highest dollar for dollar ROI upgrade or remodel?
What is the highest dollar for dollar ROI upgrade remodel? That would be the new roof.
Correct.
No! Oh,
baby,
shoot.
I told you I'm Yoda.
Oh, that's so gross.
Oh, that is gross.
We got paper towels in here? Perfect, awesome.
Next question. What is the percentage you are going to recoup within plus or minus 5%?
Awesome, all right. Since this was the highest, I'm assuming it's pretty high up there. Let me go 97%.
Correct. The exact count is 98.6%.
Oh,
98, awesome, perfect.
I've been waiting for this moment my whole life.
I've been waiting for that moment too. That's awesome.
All right, next.
What do you think will give you the highest ROI on bathroom remodel? A, mid-range, or B, luxury?
That one's 50-50. So,
Mid-range or luxury, buddy? Which one?
mid-range.
Incorrect. It's actually B, luxury. But the exact amounts are mid-range 64.7% and luxury is 69.5%.
That's unfortunate.
Not for me.
Oh.
That's so gross.
Oh, look at his shirt.
Next question. What is the lowest dollar for dollar ROI upgrade remodel?
The lowest dollar for dollar ROI remodel that you can do? Would that probably be like
It's easy.
it's easy, he says. It's a lot harder once you hit the table. It doesn't really come to you that fast. Let's do guest bathroom remodel, maybe?
Incorrect. It's actually upscale master suite edition.
Oh, so you got to master suite.
Oh, that one barely got me.
Smear it in there.
Man. Your goatee's ruined.
The goatee's ruined.
Oh,
It's kind of turning blue on your face. I'm not sure
All
what
right.
that kind of pie these were.
Last question.
Thank God.
How much do you expect to spend on a mid-range major kitchen remodel, plus or minus $5K?
Oh, get it wrong.
How much do you expect to spend on a mid-range major kitchen remodel?
Indeed.
Moment of truth. What is it?
$59,000.
Correct.
What?
Yeah,
What's the actual number?
it is.
I didn't get that on the dot.
62,524.
Oh,
That's nasty.
That hit me.
I think I got that right.
Well, you didn't think I was gonna let you go and not get the last pie.
Oh, you're gonna pay for that one, bro.
Oh man.
Anyway, so that's the cost versus value report, guys. Here's what we're gonna do. Did a good job making it creative, by the way. A little bit.
Thank you.
Here's what we're
Appreciate
going to do with the cost versus value report. We will send that to anybody that wants it. So if you're thinking about selling your home and there's some repairs, remodels, things like that need done in your home, we'll send you the report so you can look at it and see where you're going to get the best dollar for dollar return on the money that you spend. Okay? If you're thinking about buying a home and it needs some repairs, you can also use this report because you can get an idea where you're going to where you need to spend money in that home. Does that make sense?
I can't take you seriously.
I know.
Yeah, that makes sense though. And also, if you want, we can send you a home valuation. So if you're in the Fort Myers, Southwest Florida, Cape Coral area, click the link below, and what we'll do is we'll send it over to you. Pull your address in there, and you'll have a home val if you're curious about selling. So again, you can DM us. I think we're live on Facebook right now. Send Doug a DM me. Probably DM me. I'll probably respond.
Right.
But yeah, no, absolutely. So reach out to us. My number is 239-747-0449 if you want to give me a call or text. If you have any questions about that. What's your number, Doug?
239-398-3131, 239-398-3131. And or just go to our website, search Florida Gulf, that's with a U, Gulf, like Gulf of Mexico.com. Search FloridaGolfHomes.com. And we can also get it to you there. So anything else, guys?
No, that's around it.
All right.
All right, well, that was one heck of a time there, even though I wasn't planning on getting any pies in the face. It was still worth seeing you get a few of them, so.
Well, I'm going to get retribution later on.
Yeah, I'm sure. Awesome. Well, guys, thanks for joining in, and I'm sure we'll be doing one of these later down the road, too, because this is pretty fun and entertaining. So, leave us a comment here, give us a like, and, we'll talk to you guys later.
Later on.